Tired of your Hostinger website feeling static? Unlock its full potential. Quickly embed engaging videos, transforming your site into a dynamic, professional showcase with these easy, precise steps. All right, let's get you set up. We'll walk you through every click, from finding the video element to customizing autoplay and looping. You'll ensure your content shines on Hostinger with confidence. All right, first things first, let's get to your Hostinger website builder. This is where we bring your site to life. Open your Hostinger dashboard, then click on your specific website project to launch the builder. We're using a site called Spalvoda Shirtis Colorful Handmade Ceramics for our example. Once the builder loads, head to the left side of your screen. Find that vertical menu and click on the Elements icon. It looks like a square or a few shapes. This panel is where you'll find all the content options for your page. In the Elements panel, you'll see various categories. To find our video, just ensure the main Elements text at the top is selected. It's usually highlighted, but a quick click confirms we're in the right spot. Now that the Elements category is open, scroll down slightly. You'll spot the video option. It often has a small play icon, or just the word video. Give that a click. Clicking video will instantly add a new video block onto your canvas. No worries about placement right now. You can always drag and drop it later. Just confirm you see that new video placeholder appear. With the video block on your page, we need to select it to get to its settings. Go ahead and click directly on that new video placeholder. You'll see a border appear, confirming it's selected and ready for editing. After selecting the video block, a small toolbar will pop up nearby. To open the main video settings, find and click the Settings icon. It often looks like a gear or a pencil. In the Settings panel, you'll find various customization options. We need to tell Hostinger which video to use, so look for the section labeled Video Source or Content. Within the source options, you'll typically see two ways to add content: embedding a link or uploading a file. We're looking for the section where you can either paste a video URL or upload your own. Now that we've identified the source options, it's time to change the video. Look for the Edit Video button. It might say Change Video, and usually has a video icon. This opens the dedicated editor. Go ahead and click that Edit Video button. This launches your dedicated video editor, either in a new window or a side panel. Here, you can paste an embed link or upload a file directly, giving you full control over your content. When the video editor opens, you'll usually see choices like Embed Video or Upload Video. For this guide, we'll focus on uploading custom content, so click Upload Video. You'll now get a prompt to browse your computer for a video file. Click the Upload Video button, select your desired file, and confirm. This can take a moment to process based on size and internet speed, so hang tight. Consider autoplay. If you want your video to start immediately when someone visits, toggle autoplay to on. Just remember, some browsers might block it, but Hostinger will attempt it. If you have a short engaging video like a background loop or product demo, you might want it to play continuously. Find the loop option and toggle it on. Your video will then repeat endlessly for a seamless experience. Next, consider show video controls. You'll usually want viewers to have control: play, pause, volume, so ensure this toggle is on. It gives your audience a familiar way to interact with your video content. On the other hand, for background ambiance or a hero video meant to play uninterrupted, you might hide controls. Just toggle Show Video Controls to off. This gives a cleaner, seamless visual without user interaction elements. Beyond just playing, you can make your video visually pop. Look for the Animation tab in your video settings. This lets you add dynamic flair to how your video appears on the page. Inside Animation settings, explore various entrance and exit effects like fade in, slide up, or zoom. Pick one that matches your site's style. For example, fade in makes your video smoothly appear. Just click your preferred option to apply it. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a video, customized its playback, and even added animation, all within the Hostinger website builder. Your site is now dynamic, engaging, and ready to grab your visitors' attention. Pretty cool, right?